How to convert Facebook profile to page. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Here, tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. When you turn on Professional Mode, you can get paid for your content, see content insights, grow your audience and much more. Tap on Turn on again to confirm. You have now successfully turned on Professional Mode. Keep tapping on Next till you reach the default audience page. Here, you can choose your default audience. For example, friends. Tap on Next again. And then, tap on Confirm after reviewing your selection. Now, go back to your profile. As you can see, your profile details has now changed to Digital Creator. Following these steps, you can easily convert Facebook profile to page.